Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick guide on how to log out of the Discord app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you're switching accounts or just need a break, I've got you covered with easy steps. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app. If you haven't done so already, make sure it's up to date to enjoy the latest features and improvements. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it and you'll be taken to your user settings. Now, scroll down the list on the left until you reach the option that says Log Out. This might be in the lower section of the settings menu, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on it. After you click Log Out, a confirmation box will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to log out. This is a great way to prevent accidental logouts. To finalize your decision, simply click on Log Out again. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of the Discord app on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.